मातरम 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 जय
आपकी बार
मोदी पार
आपकी बार
400 पार
भारत माता की
जय
भारत माता की
जय मातरम मातरम
भारत माता की
जय
आपकी बार
400 पार
आपकी बार
400 पार
आपकी बार
My name is Amar Upadhyay. I am volunteer to the Overseas Friends of BJP. I would like to welcome all the Indian diaspora people who came here, they took the time and came here in support of the Modi ji. And we are gathered at the very iconic place in Chicago, and that is the Art Institute of Chicago, where Swami Vivekananda delivered the lecture in 130 years back. He delivered. Indian diaspora is very impressed with Modi ji's last 10 years of the record, and they are very impressed because Modi ji ने जो देश विदेश में इंडिया का सम्मान बढ़ाया है, that is very good, and all the diaspora people, they are very happy with the सम्मान, and now we can walk with the proud that we are Indian and everything.
Namaskar, Vandana Chingan from Chicago. I'm standing right in front of Art Institute of Chicago, where on September 11th, 1893, Swami Vivekananda came and he made a call, Sisters and Brothers of America. That has brought, like the East has to contribute spirituality to the West and West has to contribute science to the East. And that started happening. Now we all know that Bharat cannot be ignored. We have heard the Honorable Prime Minister many times talking in Hindi in United Nations. Why I'm here, why I'm saying I am Modi ka parivar. I was in India for almost 11 weeks. The development that I have seen, as a woman, it is very close to my heart. My sisters, my mothers, my daughters, how they were spending their time chulha jala jala ke. And there were no toilets earlier. And the woman can go now, the new law says any woman can even go to a 5-star hotel, can ask that I want to use the bathroom and nobody will be able to stop. This is achievement. I have seen the development on the roads. I have seen the development which we don't even have in the United States of America, like Vande Bharat trains, because it's not only that you have to travel all the time by air. And all my sisters and brothers should be enjoying the same freedom that what we are enjoying here in the United States of America. Ab ki baar 400 par, Vandana from Chicago.
हेलो नमस्कार, मैं हूं अभिनव रैना शिकागो से। इस वक्त मैं हूं आर्ट इंस्टीट्यूट, जो कि स्वामी विवेकानंद जी यहाँ पे आज से 150 साल पहले 1893 में आए थे। ये वही जगह है, वही ऐतिहासिक जगह है जहाँ पे स्वामी जी आए थे। आज वहीं से हम सब लोग मोदी का परिवार एक नया आह्वान कर रहे हैं, सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं मोदी जी को। यहाँ से शिकागो से सब शिकागो के लोग बड़े उत्साहित हैं कि इलेक्शन जो आ रहे हैं हम उनको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं और सपोर्ट करना चाह रहे हैं। और यहाँ से हम चाहते हैं कि इस बार मोदी जी 400 पार सीट करें और हर बार मोदी जी की सरकार बने। हम चाहते हैं आप लोग आए इंडिया में, वोटिंग के लिए जाएं और मोदी जी को वोट करें, बीजेपी को वोट करें। बीजेपी है, मोदी है तो मुमकिन है, यही हम आप सब लोगों को कहना चाहते हैं शिकागो से। धन्यवाद।
We are here in Chicago downtown in front of Art Institute. We all Indians are here who support Modi. Ab ki baar 400 par. We are trying to make this slogan sound and successful. I request all Indian, all Bharatvasi who are voting, please vote for BJP and make Modi strong so he can make the country stronger and make good changes to become Bharat as a world leader.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. మేము ఇక్కడ షికాగో ఆర్ట్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ దగ్గర అందరం గ్యాదర్ అయినాం, షికాగో తెలుగు ఆల్ ఇండియన్స్ టు సపోర్ట్ మోడీ. అండ్ మేమందరం మోడీ పరివార్ అని చెప్పనీకి. సో ఎప్పుడైతే కాంగ్రెస్ వాళ్ళు కామెంట్ చేశారో మోడీకి పరివార్ లేరని, సో మేమందరము మోడీ పరివార్ అని చెప్పడానికి, సాలిడారిటీ ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడానికి ఇక్కడికి అందరం గ్యాదర్ అయినాము. నాట్ ఓన్లీ దాట్, వీఆర్ సపోర్ట్, మేము మోడీకి సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఈ లోక్సభ ఎలక్షన్స్లో అందరూ ఇండియాలో అందరూ, ఎస్పెషల్లీ పీపుల్ ఆఫ్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ అండ్ తెలంగాణ, మీకు హంబుల్ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఏంటంటే మోడీ గారికి సాధ్యమైన అన్ని ఎక్కువ సీట్లు ఇచ్చి గెలిపించగలని ప్రార్థన. ఎందుకంటే మీ పిల్లల భవిష్యత్తు మోడీ గవర్నమెంట్లో తోటి ముడిపడి ఉన్నది. మోడీ గవర్నమెంట్ ఉంటే మీ పిల్లల భవిష్యత్తు చాలా చాలా బాగుంటుంది. సో దయచేసి మీరందరూ మోడీ గారికి ఓటేసి చాలా సాధ్యమైన ఎక్కువ సీట్లు గెలిపించగలని ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ తెలంగాణ ప్రజలకు నేను విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
My name is Rajbabu Chugurupati. I am speaking from Chicago downtown. Finally, we got starting from 2014, the country is taken a proper turn and going on the right path. Previously, it was all the downturn, and now it is upward going up. And we have to, the country is safe and progress better in the hands of BJP and Prime Minister Modi. So it is our duty to make India strong, prosperous, and take it to the higher level.
We are at the Art Institute of Chicago, where Mr. Swami Vivekananda ji has given a speech about Hinduism in 1893. Today we are celebrating Boya BJP in the support of Modi ka Parivar. Right now we are at the public rally, and now we have a couple of students who are studying here from India. Sir, what's your name and then where are you from?
So my name is Rohit Nayak. I am from Bangalore.
Okay.
So I am pursuing my masters at Illinois Institute of Technology.
Okay. So now currently from a student perspective, right, what is your opinion about the development happened in the last 10 years within India, and how it is significant for the youngsters to really pursue for the next 10 years?
Okay, if I think about education, I think there are equal opportunities back in India right now. So Modi has already created that opportunity which is available overseas. So I think students should also look for opportunities in India rather than overseas. So right now I think there is not much difference between doing masters here and in India.
Yes.
There's a difference.
But youngsters like you, right? What is that very important for you in the future, right? What is that things are happening in India? Probably you might have come from India recently. So what is the what you have seen as a as a student, as a young person, and has seeking a career? What have you seen in last 10 years of development?
When it comes to opportunities, there are equal opportunities both the ways. Because I see my friends now getting a very good opportunities in IT field. They are growing like anything. And when it comes to compensation, I think it's somewhere equal to the expenses here and the money what we can save. And apart from that, I see that we Indians are getting recognition everywhere right now, which was not there I think before 10 years.
Yes.
So we have been recognized, we have been respected wherever we go. I think that is because of the current government which we have here, back in India, and because of Modi ji's leadership.
Yeah. Ma'am, what's your name? And then
Vinuta. I'm from Bangalore. I'm also pursuing my masters here.
Okay. So what is your take, back in Bangalore as well as here, and what you have seen from an overall India perspective?
I recently discovered that being India is very far better than being here.
Okay.
And because opportunities are more there, and I'm feeling that if I compare between USA and India, more or like India is growing a lot.
Yes.
In compared to economics, maybe in education field, every other field it's growing because of current government.
Yeah. So the youngsters like you, we would like to, spread the word. People have to take a conscious decision, right? You are back in India, of course. Unfortunately, you are here. You may not be able to vote, but you have many people. We request actually forget about the local politics. Look at that. Look at you are the future India, right? You people have to really take it forward next 50 years. Whatever we are saying, the 2047 Viksit Bharat, which is nothing but a developed nation, you people have to reap the benefits of it. So
मैं राजेंद्र ठक्कर फ्रॉम शिकागो से हूँ, और ये आगामी जो इलेक्शन आ रहा है लोकसभा का, उसमें हमें मोदी जी बीजेपी की सरकार को जिताना है, 400 पार की सीटें लाना है। आप वोट कीजिए, आपके रिश्तेदार, आपके दोस्त, आपके मोहल्ले वाले को भी वोट के लिए प्रोत्साहित कीजिए। अब की बार 400 पार मोदी सरकार।
મારું નામ નીતિન પટેલ છે. હું ગુજરાત આણંદ લોકસભા સીટથી નાગરિક છું, અને હું એક સંદેશ મોકલવા માગું છું કે અમારા લોકસભા સીટ ઉપર મિતેશ પટેલ ઉમેદવાર છે, તો એને જીતાડવા માટે સર્વે આણંદ જિલ્લાના સર્વે નાગરિકોને મારી નમ્ર અપીલ છે કે ઘરેથી નીકળીને દરેકે વોટ કરે અને પોતાનો અધિકાર વ્યક્ત કરે, અને આ વખતે જે સ્લોગન છે મોદી સાહેબનું કે અબ કી બાર 400 પાર, તો એ પૂરું થવું જોઈએ. એ સાથે મને મારી અપેક્ષા રજૂ કરું છું. જય હિન્દ.
Hi, this is Hemant Patel. We are here in Chicago downtown in Modi support rally. I have few messages to the Indian voters. This election is very crucial. Please do not go overconfidence and go for voting. There are few things that you will have to remember before voting. 10 years ago, on the border, when the Pakistani army used to tell our army that when they do a gunfire on us, Indian army has to go and ask permission from Delhi to do a retaliation. But then after, as you can see now, हमारी मोदी सरकार उसके घर के अंदर जाके मारती है. So that is the difference we have seen. Modi ji has a plan for 1,000 years. He want to make India glorious for upcoming 1,000 years. Whereas the other party, they are planning to go India back to the 1,000 year back. So that is the difference. 2 years ago in Maharashtra, by just chanting Hanuman Chalisa, even the MLA was sent to jail. And this year, in January 22nd, we had a Bhavya Ram Mandir. So that is the difference. If you want to see that kind of progress, please vote Modi ji and BJP. Thank you very much.
सभी भारतवासियों से नम्र विनंती है कि इस बार लोकसभा में अब की बार 400 पार. थैंक यू.
नमस्कार, मी योगेश शाह शिकागोहून बोलतोय. मी आपल्या सगळ्यांना, मी एक मोदी परिवार आहे. मी आपल्या सगळ्यांना आव्हान इच्छितो की आपण मोदी सरकारसाठी यावेळेस वोटिंग करायला पाहिजे. मोदी सरकारच का? कारण की मोदी सरकारने ज्या पद्धतीने कामं केली आहेत, देशाला ज्या 5व्या अर्थव्यवस्थेनं 3रा अर्थव्यवस्थेचा संकल्प आहे, या संकल्प पूर्ण करण्यासाठी आपल्या सगळ्यांचं साथ आणि सहकार आवश्यक आहे. यावेळेस पार्टी भूमिका, जात पात सगळं विसरून आपल्याला मोदी सरकारसाठी वोटिंग करायचं. नमस्कार.
नमस्कार जी, मेरा नाम राकेश पंडिता है. मैं ओरिजिनली अनंतनाग डिस्ट्रिक्ट से हूँ और यहाँ पे शिकागो शामबर्ग में रहता हूँ. मैं सारे अपनी कश्मीरी बरादरी से अपील करना चाहता हूँ कि आप इस बार कहीं उधर इधर की या किसी और को वोट ना डालें. अपने मोदी जी को, अपने बीजेपी को ही वोट डालें. आपने देखा है कि बीजेपी ने जम्मू कश्मीर में कितना डेवलपमेंट किया है. आर्टिकल 370 धारा 370 हटाया. इसके लिए हमें कितना बहुत बड़ा फ़ायदा हुआ जम्मू कश्मीर की पॉपुलेशन को, जम्मू कश्मीर के पंडित बरादरी को, हम कश्मीरी पंडितों को कितने सेफ़ महफूज हम लोग फील कर रहे हैं. आज हम यहाँ पर शिकागो में आए हैं तो हम अपने बीजेपी को अपने सपोर्ट करने के लिए आए हैं. सो हमारा यही नारा है, अब की बार 400 पार और मोदी सरकार जिंदाबाद. हम सारे कश्मीरी बरादरी, सब कश्मीरी पंडित बरादरी से मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहता हूँ कि अब हमको भी अभी मौका मिल रहा है अब की बार वोट डालने का. तो आप बीजेपी को ही वोट डालें और किसी और को ना. सारे सब डेवलपमेंट वगैरह नज़र में रखते हुए आप बीजेपी को सपोर्ट करें. धन्यवाद. थैंक यू.
मैं आचार्य रोहित जोशी हूँ. जस्ट टुडे वी आर सो एक्साइटेड टू कम together and appeal the people, our friends and family in India, to tell them to go for vote because we need to cross the 400.
జై శ్రీరామ్. మేమంతా ఈరోజు షికాగో డౌన్ టౌన్లో ఆర్ట్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ముందు సమావేశం కావడం జరిగింది. మేమంతా విన్నపం చేస్తుంది ఏంటంటే తెలంగాణలో ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ తెలంగాణ ప్రజలందరికీ ఎవరైనా కుల మత జాతి భేదాలు అన్నీ పక్కన పెట్టి మోడీ సర్కార్ను గెలిపించాలని మా యొక్క మనవి.